Hey there, sports cards fans. Of course, again, it's me, Cody, Card Attractions here. Getting ready to get into some baseball. We've got some good football videos going on. So, we are going to bust into some baseball, get some few baseball videos in for the day. And as usual, waste no time. We're not going to talk about it. We already opened some boxes yesterday. It's that 2020 Big League. We're just going to go ahead and rip. We got some pretty cool cards yesterday. So I went back to the store looking for more, and there was only 2 boxes left. So the last 2 boxes I went ahead and grabbed. Super nice cards there. These are a lot easier to open. Thank goodness. Speed up the process. Let's see. Who's on that one? Arenado, Martel, and Ebeles. Hey, Gavin Lux. Who's on the back of this one? Hoskins, Grandal, and Soto. I got George Solo flipping out. Yeah, orange Oscar Mercado. So that was our first pack. 3 cards I put to the side. Oh yeah, it's got a special pack down there. I'm gonna open that next. I don't like to wait neither. I know you guys don't. I don't. I like to know what I get right away. I just want to know. We got Elick, Martle, and Rendon. Nice. We got here. Hey, George Springer. Don't got that one. Oh, this is a numbered card. 25 of 50. Brendan Hodges. I am so sorry that this video camera. I went and bought a new phone and everything. Did you guys see that there? It is numbered 25 of 50. That is a super cool card. Oh, we got an AJ Puck. Orange border. Bryce Harper. So not bad. I got a numbered card. I'm actually really excited about that. I'm gonna have to definitely look that card up. 25 of 50. Super nice. Hey, Justin Verlander already got it. Good rum. Oh, I forgot about the other pack next is one. We got a Joey Gallo art card. Hey, Ryan Braun. Josh Bell. And we got a Mike Trout. Award winning. I think I got that one the other day when I got all those Mike Trouts. I really couldn't believe it. I'm sorry, I was supposed to open that last. Alright, let's see what's in this pack here real quick. A little bonus pack. Maybe we can get a bonus in there. We got Elick Blue. Yep, hey, we got the same card. We got the number one. Brendan Rodgers, nice. Who we got on the back of here? Asuna, Chapman, and Hand. Blue, nice. Oh, we got an autograph. Okay, you didn't have to give me a second. I had to go get a sleeve. We got a Jose Yacuti. Don't know this player. That is super nice. Sticker auto. Let me set it down real quick on top of one of these packs. Give me just 1 second. It will not take me long. Find the sleeve. Alright, there we go. Super nice hit. Super glad I grabbed these cards. There was the last 2 boxes. There was like 10 boxes yesterday. I got 2 yesterday to try them out. I liked them, went back, and there was only 2 left. So I grabbed them. And look at that. Super nice rookie auto. Huge hit for me. I'll take it. And we got another blue. I'm kind of glad I opened that little bonus pack. That made me feel good. 2020 Big League. If you haven't got them, I definitely suggest you getting them. Did me pretty good yesterday, and I got some pretty good ones today. Jake Rogers rookie. That is a Victor Robles. Really nice. We got an orange Daniel Murphy. We got a Andres Munoz rookie. We got a Jordan Alvarez. That's really nice there. I like that one. Did not have that one. So man, I'm really excited. I just can't stop. That was a good one. It was like when I was opening those Donruss baseball and I pulled them 2 hits. That was super exciting. Alright, wasn't expected. Who do we got here? Got Verlander, Cole, and Rodriguez. Nice. Daniel Vogelbach. Lourdes, Fernando Tatis Jr. Now, hey, we got a Fernando Tatis Jr. orange border. Sweet. AJ Puck base. Fernando Tatis again base. Sweet. Not bad. Not bad. Bryce Harper. We got Mike Trout. Already got this one, but I will add that one to the collection. Carlos Correa, orange border. We got a Gio Urshela, defensive wizard. Nice card. Alright, we're barely halfway through the box. I do like these. Ain't gonna lie, but I do really wish I could find some more Donruss. I will find some. They will come back. I check the store dang near daily. Oh, what we got here? Look. Josh Bell art card, nice. We got orange parallel. We got Yates, Hatter, and Smith. Orange, not parallel, but just orange border. Oh, there really no rookies in that pack. Alright, let's see. Hey, Zach Collins rookie. Jordan Alvarez. Nice. Max Keepler. Nice card there. We got an Aaron Savall. Orange border. Not too bad, not too bad. 2 more packs left, and then we'll break into the other 2020 Topps Big League box and see what it has in store. Hey, Chloe Bellinger Jr. I already got that one. I'll take it again. George Soler, Pete Alonso. We got Trey Mancini, orange border. Aaron Hicks, flipping out, nice. And Nico Horner, rookie. Put that over there. Alright guys, last pack, and let's get into that box. I've been trying to put out content for you guys. For those of you who are subscribed to the channel and watching the video, I do appreciate your support. One of these days when I get my subs up, I'll maybe be able to get you guys something. We got a Ronald Acuna Jr. Super nice. And we got here a Scott Kingery. Defensive Wizard. Mitch Haniger. Orange Borders. Hunter Renfroe. And that's it for that box. Alright, we're going to talk about the other box. We do on the channel, we just read. I'll let you guys get one more last look at the box. This is what it is. Topps Big League Baseball 2020. These little square blasters here. Definitely like those. Super stoked about the auto I got. So can't never go wrong with an auto hit. Matter of fact, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to bust right into this special pack right here, right now. I know a lot of people like to wait till the end for the suspense, but I want to know what's in here just as bad as you do. Maybe. This is where my auto hit came in the last pack. Was in this little bitty thing. Okay, this pack's giving me a hard time. So I'm gonna have to do a little snipping maneuver there. Maybe. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got a Pete Alonso blue border. Nice. I cannot say his last name. Oh, we got another auto hit. Sean Murphy. Once I got a blue boat machete. Alright. I have to get another sleeve, guys. I'm so sorry. That was crazy because it just opened 2 blasters and then you get an auto hit in either one of them. Now all of a sudden I open this box and I get an auto in each box. Alright. Super nice. I don't remember getting a lot in the other boxes. That is super nice. Sean Murphy rookie card. So super nice. 2 autos. And I got a Bo Bichetti blue, which is real nice because I gotta put it to the side as well because I'm gonna send it in with my other bows to get graded. Super nice. So we'll be on there tomorrow too. We'll be breaking all day. So I'm gonna break until I don't have nothing here to break. Alright, let's see what we got here. Rosario. George Solar. Flipping out. We got that one. Carrasco. Orange Border. Fernando Tatis. We got it. Nothing too big in that pack there. 2 autos. I'm definitely going to have to go back and look through my other ones because I don't remember getting no auto hits. I would have known that. I would have seen that, pretty sure. But it could be wrong. I don't know. Of course, we got another Mike Trout there. It's 3 of those we got now. We have another George Springer, defensive wizard. Hey, Orange Border Nick Solak, rookie. Take it. Sweet. So these are 2 great boxes. Wow. Definitely going to keep my eye open in the store for some more of these. Cody Bellinger. Jordan Alvarez. Hey, Trio highlights, orange border. We got a Miguel Cabrera. Oh, there he is again too. Going crazy back to back like that. All right. We've got a lot of nice cards out of these boxes. Definitely got to me. I got 3 real big hits. That's my 2 autos and my Bo Bichette blue border. Take them. I mean, I got a lot of other good cards. Don't get me wrong. That's why I got a stack over here. But them are my 3 big hits. Yeah, Illinois Jimenez. Nice card. Lourdes Jr. Orange border. Alright. See, the cards that I put to the left are the ones that I put up. The ones to the right are the ones that I gotta get sleeved. Just still waiting on my sleeves. So many sleeves behind right now. And I hate it because it's going to take me a couple days to sleeve all these cards that I have to sleeve. I got another big, I got another Ronald Acuna there. And Luis Arraez, I got that too. We got Fernando Tatis Jr. Otani, orange border. Nico Hoerner, rookie. Hunter Renfroe. But, so I bought a tub of cards for $350, and one of these days when I get a chance I might be able to go over what I got out of it. It was all baseball cards, football and basketball. We got Jordan Alvarez. Got some super rare Walt Disney dollars too. I'm about to put them on eBay and sell them. They're in original envelopes and everything. Hey, we got a Mitch Keller orange border. Take it. Hey, we got a Gio Urshela again, defensive wizard. Alright. Every now and then I'm getting alright cards on this side. Like I said, I got them 3 big hits. Super excited about them 2 blue autos. I just, man, it's a lot of autos today. Feeling it. Who do we got here? We got Rendon, Seager, and Albies. Double leaders. Buster Posey, nice. Oh, we got here Alonso, Suarez, and Bellinger. Home run leaders, nice. Trey Mancini, art card. Eric Hosmer, orange border. We got Merrifield, Devers, and DJ LeMahieu, hits leader. Nice. Chris Davis. Sweet. Yeah, it's got me definitely thinking. I'm definitely going to have to go through my other boxes, the cards that I got. Cause it'd be crazy if I did have some autos in this one, but I don't think I had no autos. I got 2 of them, though. These ones, it's crazy. Here you got Trout, Nelson, Cruz, and Bergman. I do not have that. It's a different Trout. The other Trout I have is in the middle. So that's another big card for me. Let's go with my Trout collection. See, here's the other Trout I got the other day right there. That's right there, he's in the middle. So, another big Trout. So, Manny Machado. That's a super cool card. Hey, Zach Gallen, rookie, orange border, always nice. Alright, guys. 2 more packs, man. I hope you guys enjoy watching the show. You know, if you got any comments, leave them in the box. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me your thoughts. got any. Make sure you hit that subscribe channel and that like button. Turn on the bells and notifications. Got 100 Dozer. We got here Verlander, Bieber, and Cole. Innings pitched leaders. Bryant. And we got here, we got Kyle Lewis, rookie, orange border, nice. And we got an Aaron Hicks again, flipping out. Jeff McNeil, nice. Alright, and we got one more pack, guys. That's it. Super excited about this box break. I'm not done. I do got more boxes to go over with tonight. It's going to be some older stuff. It won't be any of the newer stuff, so. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Nice. What we got here? DeGrom, Strasburg, and Scherzer. Strikeout leaders. Nice. Hey, Pujols. Scott Kingerly again, defensive wizard. Oh, I did not have this one. This is a Mike Trout orange border. Don't have no sleeves. Super nice, super nice, super nice. I was looking for that one. I got the blue border one. That was the one I was looking for. I kept saying, give me the Mike Trout orange border, and I never got it. I got it in the last pack. So that is super nice. Matter of fact, give me just a second. Had to grab these stack of cards, see. Oh, and it was a different, that was the last Mike Trout I got. In blue, but this is even a different picture too, so it's even nicer. I was thinking I was gonna get one like this, but I'll take it, yeah, because I got a bunch of them. But yeah, super nice, super nice, super nice. I really needed that card. This one I already got. It's a duplicate. The one where Trout's in the middle. This one here I do not have, so that's always a +2. Do not have the blue Bo Bichette, so it's really nice. I put it with my Bichette collection. And then, of course, I got these two awesome autos here. We've got a Sean Murphy and a Jose Urquidy. Super nice cards. One's got a green background, one's got a blue background. So, both blue autos. Super, super nice. I am so stoked. And to get two more Mike Trouts that I do not have, I am super, super happy. I got this in the base card, the white border. So I now got in the orange as well, which I'll show you real quick. So it's super nice. So I got lots of Mike Trouts actually. I don't want to sit here and go through them all, but thanks guys, man. I appreciate you guys watching the channel, man. If you guys got any comments, just leave them in the box. Other than that, if you guys want to watch some older deck breaks, I got a lot of stuff here to go over with. So you always can stay tuned and watch them. I will keep the stores up to date. When they get more cards in, I will buy them up so we can rip them. Thanks guys. Have a good night.